Alright, so it's pretty late. I mean, for us, I guess I should say. I got him some food and some water. I got him some yummy cat food. Poor baby. Because I have a feeling it's not going to go well. The people that I've spoken with, the animal control, they're probably going to put him down, which I just hate. If we could afford to care for him, I certainly would. Sweet boy. Oh, I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get the water and the extra food in for him. I'm sure. You know what? I might give him a little more. If he eats this, I'm going to give him more because I want him to just have good memories. Yeah, oh, my baby. Oh, it's just tragic. My poor sweet boy. It's just so tragic. Yeah, yes, you're my sweet boy, huh? Is that good? Is that good? They're so hungry. They're so hungry. Yeah. Are you a hungry boy? You're such a hungry boy, huh? Are you a sweet boy, huh? Is that good? Yeah. Bless your heart, my poor baby. Here, let me help you. There you go. Let me get you another bowl, huh? Let me get you another bowl. Yes, my sweet boy.